In this video, we will compare different document versions with OpenKM. We select a document and go to the History tab to do this. Here, we can view the series of versions that a document acquires over time. In this case, we will compare version 1.0 with version 1.1, where we can see the changes. Now, we will do the same but compare it with version 1.2. In this comparison, the text that no longer exists is highlighted. This way, we can continue comparing each of the versions. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.